right, we have pens and pencil, games, paper, crayons, all of the things that you'll be able to use for school. Spider-Man.
You're saying something that you have supplies left over from the last year that we bought things.
Yeah.
Wow.
We still have supplies left over from all of the things that they brought us last year. Okay? So these are just a few more things. Next year, the year after, we will get more. But I want us all to pray very hard for our bus. So we want to tell folks that we need a bus. Let me hear you say that.
We need a bus.
Again.
We need a bus.
Again.
We need a bus.
Okay?
So we're looking for some kind, wonderful people to donate a bus to our school here in Almena.
Right.
So we're going to say thank you to everybody up front that's going to be working hard to get us a bus.
Okay.
We thank you ahead of time, everyone.
Thank you. We thank you in advance. Medawasi Day. Medawasi Day. Medawasi Day. Medawasi. Medasi P. Medasi Papa. Which means thank you. Oh, you laugh, oh. We say Medasi Papa. Which means thank you very, very much. And we really hope that you will open your hearts, open your pocketbooks, so that we can get a bus. Doesn't have to be brand new, but it certainly has to be a good working bus. So if we were able to get at least $25,000 US, we could buy a decent bus for our children. Right now, our children are coming to school in taxis. We're joining them in trotros, which are not very safe. And currently, we have 200 students going from pre-K to JSS 1. And as you've seen this morning, how gifted our children are. We can increase our enrollment if we just have a bus. So as we say, Mapau Cho, I beg, please, open your hearts, be generous, and help us to get the bus that our children need.
Absolutely. And also we've collected some financial donations from the group here, and also for people who couldn't make the journey.
Okay.
And our sister is here to present it. Can you join Anifas?
Nice.
So family, we thank everybody from the diaspora and also everyone in our group for all this lots of cash.
Yeah, we got cash. So every little bit helps. From 1 we get 2, from 2 we get 4, from 4 we get 8, from 8 we get 16. Okay? It just grows. It's like your garden outside. We water it well, we do well, and it will grow. All right? So let's say all together a big thank you.
Thank you, mamas and babas.
Thank you, mamas and papas.
Another thing I wanted to add, few people, we have a sister in Orlando Newman's Cafe. She wanted the exact cost to sponsor students, and she wanted to know how the program works.
Okay, it's $300 US to sponsor a child, which pays for a child's tuition, university, uniforms, books. For our boarding students, that also requires food and other items. So what I would say to people here, because some members of the group have expressed an interest in sponsoring a child, if you see a child here today that you'd be interested in sponsoring, then identify that child, meet that child, and when it's possible for you, sponsor that child. Okay?
Excellent. Our family, folks, we thank you for everything everyone on the group has done and everyone in the diaspora, and we look forward to your future contributions to keeping our African continent strong.
And let's give a very special thanks to Baba Bomani, because it is he that organizes the groups that come here to visit us every year. So let's give him a big hip hip hooray. Ready? Hip 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 hooray! Again, hip hip hooray! Again, hip hip hooray! Baba Bomani.
Well, thank you, buddy.
Thank you very much.
Here you are, my sister. some donation from
Thank you on behalf of Akoma International Academy, the director, Mama Education. We thank you very much for your kind gesture towards the children in Akoma School, and we hope that we see you again in our school. And we are very grateful to receive you. Thank you very much. When you are going, God to grant you save Jenny mercies so that you go home safely. Thank you very much. And that's Papa. Thank you.
Yes.